this is going to be my second bag from the Cherry Blossom drop. The second drop from Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami's 20th anniversary collection. So, let's see here. Same old packaging. Now let's see if we get any of the cute stickers or ribbons. No, I guess not. Not yet. I don't see it yet. So, let me take out the box here. We have the cute ribbon, the little tag, and the invoice. So, I'll take this out. Let me check if there's anything in here for me. Negative. Okay. I'm just gonna pull this apart because I don't care. All right, moment of truth. What? Oh, just bonked my head. What do we see? No stickers! Okay. Oh, well, at least I got them with the perfume, so I got them some way, somehow. Now, what bag do we have here? This is the... I call it the Boulogne, but it's probably Boulogne. I don't know. B-O-U-L-O-G-N-E is the name of the bag. And for the reveal, here it is. Here she is. Where is the handle? Okay, it's probably inside. All right. Wow. Let me show you it without the handle and the chain and everything. We have the monogram with the cherry blossom print. And we have a zipper up here. 2 zippers. Let me open it up. Let's go look for the chain because it'll make it look way better. Does it even come with a chain? Whew, yes, it does. Okay. So first, here's the strap. Let me put that on. Strap on one side. Strap on the other. Perfect. Closer look with the strap on. And this strap is adjustable, I think. I don't know, actually. Yep, it is, because there's these little buttons here. And then I guess you can pull it. How do you do that? I'm a noob. As many bags as I have from them, I do not know how this works because none of mine are adjustable. Okay, so I guess you move it. And then, hello? Oh, I think I have to move. Oh, it's buttoned. So I have to unbutton it. And then move it. Okay. Unbutton and move together. So this is pretty long, actually. So I guess you can wear it long. Or if you want it short, then you will have to readjust it to how I had it when I first took it out of the box. Okay. So here. Good to know. So it's a double strap. Adjustable. And now inside is the chain that I did not take out yet. I'm surprised it actually comes with the chain. Oftentimes, you know, that's like a separate little addition. So here's the chain. Let me go ahead and hook it on. I'm gonna hook it on this side. The print is different on both sides. So, oh, it's kind of heavy too. Let's see. Does it go here? Oh, that looks so much cuter. Honestly, I love it. I love it. Can you see? Very nice. I think it's pretty spacious too. I think I can fit a good amount in here. If you want to look inside, there's the, what's it called? The tag in there. The patchwork. Okay. And there's also a pocket right here. And then inside is just inside. Let me try putting, for example, the perfume. Nice. It fits in here. And it can fit the second one too. This is just, for example, how much you can fit in here. I put both perfumes in here. Maybe I shouldn't let it roll around. Oops. You can definitely fit your wallet, phone, camera, what else? I don't know. A lot of things. The invoice, I think, will fit in here. Well, it won't, but it will if I fold it. So it's a pretty good length if it's in there. It's a pretty good length. Has some width to it. Has this super cute chain, which I actually just noticed. It has like the ball. Like the ball moves along the whole chain. The whole thing moves. Ooh. Cute. That's so unique, actually. Let me pull this invoice out. Wow, I'm like, do we see this? Wow. Oh, I guess you can also use this as a strap, right? It's probably not meant for it, but it works the same way, I would think, because it's the same hook. But yeah, so there's that. And now I need to decide if I want to keep it or not. I probably will keep it, honestly. I think it's really special, and this is super hard to get. I was already lucky to get 2 from the collection this time, and I think it'll just be a great piece of history with my collection. So until next time with further unboxings, this is all we have today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.